Welcome to our comprehensive guide on why starting an LLC for a jewelry business is the ideal choice for owning your own company. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of forming an LLC, the advantages it offers, and step-by-step instructions on how to start your LLC and obtain an employer identification number, EIN. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding the benefits of forming an LLC for your jewelry business. If you're passionate about jewelry and dream of turning your passion into a successful business, forming a limited liability company, LLC, can be the perfect starting point. Here's why. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the most significant advantages of an LLC is its limited liability protection. This means that your personal assets are separate from your business assets. In the event of any legal claims or financial issues, your personal assets, like your home or car, are protected from being seized. 2. Credibility and professionalism. Establishing an LLC can lend credibility and professionalism to your jewelry business. It shows potential customers and partners that you are serious about your venture and are committed to long-term success. 3. Flexibility in taxation. LLCs offer flexibility in taxation, allowing you to choose between pass-through taxation, similar to sole proprietorships and partnerships, or electing to be taxed as an S corporation, which can potentially lead to tax savings. 4. Ease of management. Managing an LLC is generally less complex than running a corporation, allowing you to focus more on your jewelry business and less on administrative tasks. Now that you understand the advantages of starting an LLC for jewelry business, let's walk you through step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC for your jewelry business. Step 1. Choose a unique name. Choose a unique and catchy name for your jewelry business. Make sure to check that the name is not already in use by another business in your state. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Select a registered agent who will be responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. File the Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document officially registers your LLC and includes essential information about your business. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Though not required in all states, it's advisable to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, roles, and responsibilities of LLC members. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Research and obtain any necessary business licenses and permits to legally operate your jewelry business in your city or state. Step 6. Apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. To apply for an EIN, visit the IRS website and complete the online application. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account for your LLC. Step 8. Keep detailed records. Maintain accurate and detailed financial records for your jewelry business, including income, expenses, and other transactions. Step 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. Stay compliant with your state's ongoing requirements for LLCs, such as filing annual reports and paying necessary taxes. Congratulations! You've now learned why starting an LLC for your jewelry business is the ideal choice. The benefits of limited liability protection, professionalism, tax flexibility, and ease of management make it a wise decision for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. By following our step-by-step guide, you can successfully start your LLC and take the first step towards turning your passion for jewelry into a thriving business. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Inkfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Inkfile. Inkfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.